In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Hostinger AI Website Builder. This tool is an incredibly nifty resource that enables you to create a sleek, professional website with ease using the power of artificial intelligence. So without further ado, let's jump right in and explore how you can make the most of this tool. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger AI Website Builder page. This is your starting point, where all the magic begins. Once you're there, look for the Start Free Trial button. It's inviting you to embark on a remarkable journey to create your very own website without any initial cost. Go ahead and give it a click. Next up, you'll be prompted to create an account. Hostinger offers a user-friendly sign-up process. You can choose to register using a Google or GitHub account for quick access. Alternatively, if you prefer more traditional methods, simply enter your email address and create a password. Whatever method you choose, it's straightforward, secure, and gets you one step closer to your goal. Now that you're in, you'll meet the AI prompt. This clever feature asks for a description of your website, including its name and what it's all about. Don't worry about being overly formal. Just express your vision as you would to a friend. The more detailed and vivid your description, the better the AI can assist you in crafting the perfect site. Once you've provided your description, it's time to explore the builder's features. Hostinger's AI website. Builder is packed with powerful tools like the AI Writer and Page Generator. These features assist you in creating content and designing pages that are visually appealing and tailored to your needs. Take a moment to try them out. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for even beginners to dive right in and start experimenting. As you explore, you'll have the flexibility to edit and customize to your heart's content during the 7-day trial period. This is your chance to fine-tune the look and feel of your website, ensuring it perfectly captures your vision and meets your objectives. From color schemes to text, you have the creative freedom to tweak every aspect until it's just right. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation and ready to go live, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to publish your website. Hostinger offers several affordable options that cater to various needs and budgets, making it easy to take this vital step. Once you're live, you can share your creation with the world and watch your online presence grow. And there you have it. You've now got all the tools and information you need to create an outstanding website with the Hostinger AI Website Builder. Don't hesitate to give it a try and see just how simple and rewarding the process can be. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy website building.